Hey guys, thanks for joining me for the unboxing of the Garmin Instinct 2 Solar Tactical Rugged GPS Smartwatch. A lot of words to describe a very cool watch, and I'm going to do my best to try to do this in a brief format. Briefly said, this is the second generation of the Instinct line. It is the Tactical Edition and the Solar Edition. The Solar Edition means it is an extended battery life capability compared to the regular, and if advertising is to be believed, could be potentially up to 99 days. The tactical watch capability and difference means that it's built to a different standard where it's required to pass a mil standard 810, which means it uses Gorilla Corning glass, it has much more durable hardware, and is meant to be used by our military servicemen and women. So hopefully this is a super durable watch and I don't need to ever replace this. It is in the color tan. Tactical Edition comes in tan or black. I chose the tan mainly because of the looks as well as availability at my local Best Buy, and instant gratification just won me over and I wanted the tan one immediately. So that's why I chose it, and let's get into it. Always appreciate the Garmin packaging. And here is the Instinct 2 Solar Tactical. The packaging, of course, you open it up, has your standard charging cable and booklets and warranties that we will probably never really open. Everything is searchable online and or YouTube. So this is the second generation. Let's get it out of this case, and I'll go over some of the stuff and the features that made me actually trade in my Instinct 1 and get this as my new standard watch. The second generation, compared to the first, has a few upgrades, one of which is a doubling in the overall memory storage. So originally it had 16 megabytes, now it's 32. Aside from the original hardware being able to show the GPS, heart rate, and pulse ox, included in the Instinct 2, they've upgraded it to show incident detection, training status, VO2 max, recovery time, and even included Garmin Pay, which I think is a cool iteration. The Tactical Edition itself has certain formats and modes and features that even the Instinct 2 regulars and Instinct 2 Surf doesn't have, some of which is the night vision mode, which I don't think is going to be very practical or used by most people, but it is a great option for those who actually use nods. It has a stealth mode, which means you basically go ghost and you can't be tracked on the Bluetooth, and essentially, if you're doing your sneaky link, that might be the button you want to push. The kill switch wipe, which is really cool, is if you're caught in enemy hands or about to, or you just want to reset your memory every now and then, there is a kill switch wipe that wipes the computer format inside the watch and just resets it essentially. So you can stay stealthy and don't let people know your moves. The regular Instinct 2 does have certain features like the Instinct 1 where they've improved upon. The overall ABC features like the altimeter, barometer, and compass are just as good, if not even better. I believe they changed the barometer sensors to a position that isn't occluded by the actual hand itself or the wrist, which I know was a complaint from the Gen 1 Instinct barometer capability. But it does have the GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo tracking capability, TrackBack, as well as all of the other stuff that we knew and loved from Gen 1. But what really is the, I think, creme de la creme, or reason you want to get this watch instead of staying with the Instinct 1 is the overall software upgrade that they've done with it. If you are familiar with their Phoenix 7 watch, which is their near $1,000 premium, ultra nice, technologically advanced survival watch, that software is actually put into this, and it's a either similar, if not identical, rendition to that software programming. So I think it's a great budget entry into that if that's what you want and you don't want to spend $1,000. And you get a very rugged, capable, cool watch that has a lot of features that, most people wouldn't be able to utilize and want more. So there's plenty of features in this. I think it's a great watch. I can't wait to see it and use it. And hopefully I'll come back with some performance reviews or 1 month, 2 month, and further reviews of this watch. So thanks for checking in for this unboxing. Catch you guys next time.